Hi there. I'm Jim Kraayeveld, founder and lead attorney at Kraayeveld Family Law. I've had folks ask, all right, we had a custody trial, we had a divorce trial. What are my odds of winning at appeal? Well, all depends. First of all, are you appealing by right or are you appealing by leave, where you have to ask the Court of Appeals permission to actually file your brief and then have them consider it, which again costs you more time, costs you more money, and doesn't give you a certain response. If you're appealing by right, which is typically within 21 days of the final judgment being entered, you will get a decision. Now, it may not be the decision you want, but you will get the Court of Appeals to look at your brief, look at your appeal, and issue a decision. There are strict filing deadlines when it comes to filing for appeal. Again, the first one is 21 days after you have a final judgment dealing with a divorce trial or a custody trial or a parenting time trial. That needs to get filed with the Court of Appeals. You'll then have follow-up deadlines where you have to order transcripts, where you've got to submit your briefs. You'll have reply briefs, response briefs. All of those have strict deadlines. So, what are the odds of winning an appeal? According to the statistics here in Michigan, Court of Appeals reverses 17% of the cases, which means that trial courts, whatever decision they come up with, is most likely going to stand, and you have really sort of weak odds. The way you benefit or beat those odds is plan for it during the litigation. If you've got a good, competent trial attorney who brings in the witnesses, submits the exhibits, or at least seeks to have them admitted, makes all the right objections during the trial to the other attorney's questions or their proposed witnesses or their proposed exhibits, argues the law, puts the correct law in front of the trial court, you've got much better odds on appeal, because if a judge or a referee gets it wrong at the trial court, but you've done all of those things, you've at least bolstered your case to have a much stronger appeal. Assuming you've done that, at the Court of Appeals level, having a really great brief, having a well-written brief will of course benefit you. Again, citing all the correct law, citing the facts that were relevant, the witnesses, the evidence that was presented, or the objections that were made. Yes, it's an uphill battle, but it can be done. And again, the better trial attorney that you have, the better appellate attorney you have, will increase your odds. Get an attorney if you have a question about appealing your decision from the trial court, and take it from there. I wish you the best. Until next time, take care.